Mga kababayan, kasama natin ngayon ang kapitan ng Alas Pilipinas, Brian Baguna! Brian, this is the first ever World Championship stint of Team Philippines, which makes this the first ever World Championship win for Team Philippines. You are one of the biggest parts of this team. Take us through what went through your mind, your heart, everything during this game, during this win.
Siyempre, ito nga. Siyempre, history na to. So, nandito na kami. Sabi namin sa isa't isa, bibigay na namin yung best namin. So, once in a lifetime lang to. So, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta nyo. Kasi, sobrang na-feel namin kayo. Mas umangat pa kami and maraming salamat.
Just so everybody knows, all teams right now in Pool A have a standing of 1 win and 1 loss. It's going to be a crazy race onto the round of 16. That's why this is the opportunity for you to invite everybody to watch in your next game versus Iran.
Inimbitahan ko po lahat ng Filipino volleyball fans na supportahan po kami sa darating na September 18 sa laro namin against Iran. Inaasahan po namin ang full support nyo. Last na to!
Alright, now for our Mikasa moment, Brian Bagunas will be signing 2 volleyballs, Moa Arena. Who wants the autographed volleyball? The loudest in the crowd will be noticed by Brian Bagunas. Brian, feel free to choose. This is your Mikasa moment. One more for Brian Bagunas. Of course, going to